Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I would be talking about prevention of sexual harassment at workplace, which is covered by the popularly known as the POSH Act. This act is a welfare legislation aimed at creating safer workplaces for women, and hence it defines sexual harassment in very broad terms. Any unwelcome sexual act or behavior is covered under the term sexual harassment, right? Similarly, the workplace has been defined to include not just the physical office space, but any place an employee may visit in the course of her employment. So it could be a meeting, a party, a lunch, a dinner, an offsite, any other client's place. All of that would be covered under the term the workplace. Employee means not just a full-time employee, would also cover part-time employees, employees working on contract, consultants, and daily wage earners also. And also it would also cover any other women visiting the office space, whether as guests or to do any other work in that workspace. An employer means any person who is responsible for managing and controlling the workplace. Now the law makes it mandatory for the employer to have a well-defined anti-sexual harassment policy. This policy must be clearly displayed at the workspace, and periodic trainings and workshops must be conducted to ensure that all employees are aware of their rights and the workplace anti-sexual harassment policy. And the employer, if there are more than 10 employees in that organization, is required to create an internal complaint committee. This committee is to be headed by a presiding officer who is a senior female employee of that organization. Two other employees who are either very well familiar with the law or have a background in social work or are committed to causes of women. One external member who is again well versed with the law, has a background in social work, and is committed to causes of the women. But this complaints committee must at least have 50% women officers. In case the office does not have an internal complaints committee, then any woman who feels sexually harassed can file a complaint with the local complaints committee, which has been formed in every district. Any woman who feels so aggrieved can approach and make a complaint in writing with the ICC of her organization. In case she is in trauma or is scared of approaching the ICC, then any person with her permission, her consent, can file that complaint on her behalf in writing with the ICC of the organization. On receiving such a complaint, the ICC must provide a copy of that complaint to the person against whom the complaint is made, called the respondent, and the respondent within 10 days must file a response to that complaint, and he can also furnish documents or witnesses to defend himself. Thereon, the ICC is to carry on an in-depth inquiry as a civil court and must give both parties a chance to lead their evidence, cross-examine each other's witnesses, examine all documents. And once such an inquiry is concluded, then within 10 days, the ICC must furnish its report. A copy of the report must be made available both to the complainant and the respondent. While the complaint is pending, while the investigation is on, there may be certain interim relief that can be given to the complainant. She may be allowed to go on leave up to 3 months, or the complainant or the respondent may be asked to work from a different workplace. Also, in case the complainant or respondent are not in consonance with the report or the findings of the ICC, they can prefer an appeal with the court. While the complainant complains to the ICC, she may also file a complaint with the police station under the IPC or she may also seek help of the ICC to file that police complaint. What is very important is that at no time should the identity of the complainant, respondent, witnesses, or any facts about the proceedings should be leaked. Furthermore, since it's a welfare legislation, it is imperative that the complaint should not have been made maliciously, or it should not be false. Otherwise, action would be taken against, prosecution would be made of the complainant herself. So this is a very, very important legislation to create safe spaces, to keep women safe at workplaces. Please share this with all your friends, family and colleagues, and support your friends and colleagues if they are undergoing any such harassment. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you.